So the Western Cape High Court has agreed to temporarily stop Parliament Section 89 Impeachment Committee from continuing its inquiry into the Phala Phala matter. So the Phala Phala scandal began with the theft of foreign currency from Ramaphosa's farm back in 2020, and an independent panel later said there was prima facie evidence of possible misconduct. Now, Parliament initially blocked impeachment, and the Constitutional Court reopened the process in May 2026. Now, questions were about whether the money was properly declared and whether the president or his team handled the theft investigation correctly. Now, the biggest turning point came on the 8th of May 2026, when the Constitutional Court revived the impeachment route by setting aside Parliament's 2022 vote and sending the report back for consideration. And Reuters reported that the ruling reopened impeachment proceedings, while AP said Parliament then moved to establish the committee in line with the court's decision. And after that, Parliament adopted amendment rules for the committee. Now, Ramaphosa launched his urgent interdict, and the committee moved ahead with planning, terms of reference, and evidence leader issues while waiting for the court outcome. However, Ramaphosa said that an impeachment hearing before judicial review would cause him irreparable reputational harm and a humiliating in the public process. And opponents say he is using court action to delay accountability. The committee itself has also said that this case raises a jurisdictional issue because the Constitutional Court ordered the report back to Parliament while the urgent interdict was being fought in the High Court. But here is a quick timeline for major events. Now, in 2020, foreign currency was stolen from Phala Phala Farm, and in November 2022, an independent panel found prima facie evidence of possible misconduct. Then in December 2022, Parliament voted not to refer the report to an impeachment committee. Then on the 8th of May 2026, the Constitutional Court set aside Parliament's blocking vote and revives the impeachment route. Then on the 12th of June 2026, Ramaphosa launched an urgent interdict to stop the committee from proceeding. And then on the 18th of June 2026, Parliament's committee resolved to oppose the interdict. Then on the 15th to the 16th of July 2026, the High Court had arguments and reserves judgment. Then on the 24th of July 2026, the Western Cape High Court granted Ramaphosa an interim interdict, temporarily stopping Parliament Section 89 Impeachment Committee from continuing its inquiry into the Phala Phala matter until his main review application is decided. Meaning the impeachment committee must pause its inquiry for now. What are your thoughts?